So anyway, this just is a quick video covering something I thought for a few years, and I've seen basically quite a decent amount of proof in different ones of the sites I run in regards to the whole theory. You've got to keep producing content every day of the week to have any chance of rankings. But I found in quite a lot of cases, if you actually stop producing content, Google themselves will quite often actually give you more traffic, as shown here. For example, here we can see my last month was 4,422. This month so far, we haven't been producing any content, is now up to 6,859 views as a whole. So that's something you can find in some cases. Google themselves will, in some cases, reward you if you actually stop producing content and you basically just, in some cases, do things, I guess you could argue, in a more sort of natural way to do things. You can, of course, get bigger rankings, bigger traffic or rest by doing obviously quality link building. If you have any on page issues, for example, if your site's too slow, then working on improving your speed can be used to improve your rankings. Good interlinking. If your style of your site's maybe a bit ugly or not the best looking, you can improve your rankings by basically having a more attractive theme, basically something which your site visitors prefer. For example, if for some reason your site visitors prefer the color yellow for some reason, then having your theme yellow would, in theory, give you more traffic or higher click through rate. If you prefer green or blue, whatever, you can do things like that. I'm not saying you have to change your color, please note, but you can in some cases find by doing simple changes, you can, in theory, get higher rankings, higher traffic, higher sales, whatever you want, or your clients can. And that's basic coverage. So if you stop producing content, in some cases you can actually get more traffic later on, or more money, more sales, that kinds of stuff. I'm not saying you have to stop, please note, to do it, but I'm going to say if you do, you can in some cases get ranking increases or traffic increases in this example. Anyway, that's all for the video. Thanks. Have a good week. Bye.